Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I want to share about how can you get access from your client from Google MCC account. Okay, so first of all, go to the Google and search. You can say ads dot google.com. This is your their home page. From here you can click solution and then manager account. Go to the manager account. After that, go to the manager, go to the manager account button. It takes some time, it's depend on your internet, and here you have to select a name. Okay, you can say Kabir Digital Agency. Okay, and then you can select your billing country, or as a Google Ad expert, you are Bangladeshi, so you can it's actually it's not a Google Ad account. Okay, it's a Google Ad account, NCC account for a freelancer who can provide a service. Okay, so don't need to panic about this matter. You can choose whatever you can select. If you are Indian, you can select Indian. If you are American, you can select American, whatever it is. Okay, as it is, I select I'm not a robot. Motorcycle. This one. I guess okay. Okay, then just submit. Okay, congrats, you are all done. Okay, then explore your account. Now you have to get access client, right? You have to get access from your client. Okay, so this is your MCC account, and now you want to get access from your client. Okay, first of all, I want to switch my another normal account like KAWSAR Kabir. So this is the actual account, Google Ads account, from where we can run our client ad from this account. Okay, so this is your client account and this is our MCC account. How can we get access from Google ad account to our MCC account? Okay, so first of all, I have to take client this code, account code. Okay, then this code will provide by our client. Okay, then after that we'll go to this account here and select sub account setting. After that, click the plus icon, and here is a we can create a new manager account, or create new account, or link existing account. We will work from here, link existing account, because already our client have a this account. Okay, so I have to need just link account, get access. Okay, just paste on this account and send request. Okay, sending one account link has been sent. Okay, it takes time. Apply. Okay, view details and see the magic. First of all, refresh this account. Okay, and then you can check from here, admin, access and security, manager. See, Kabir Digital Agency. Who is this guy? This guy is actually our MCC account. Okay, so here is this line, and I accept. I just accept this and grant access and confirm. You have to need confirm. Okay, it is email. I need to confirm this account from my Android phone. Yes, it was me, and I have to. Okay, done. I'm confirm this account. Okay, thanks for verify, and already you can now continue to take action, grant access. Yes, I have to take access from this as a client. Okay, so client just accept this request, and if I refresh this our MCC account, now I can see the magic. Already we have just click see add X Kabir. Already we have get access. If you also click this here sub menu, you can show this is our client access. Okay, client account. If I click this account, now we can run a campaign on whatever we want. Click this campaign, create campaign, and if I say switch to, if I say the name like switch to expert mode, we can say. Now I can say whatever you want, campaign objective, sale or lead, whatever you want, shopping, whatever, campaign time, search, performance, max, whatever you want, continue, then it will be okay. So that's all from today. So if you have faced any problem to create MCC account, you can tell me.